SGV News First, out here with California Guardian in Lakewood, California today. We're at the Lakewood Sheriff Station, Lakewood, California. And yep, we're just out here. Want to talk to a deputy because we're passing through, and our purpose for stopping and recording was that we've seen a bunch of vehicles out here, unmarked vehicles that are illegally wrapped with tint, and we just want to know if these are owned by the city or if they're personal vehicles of the deputies, because when they're off duty they don't have the right to roll around with tinted windows and stuff. So we're just waiting for the deputies to come out so we can talk to them. So this is one of the vehicles with illegally wrapped tinted windows from the back all the way to the front. I mean, the back is not a problem, everybody knows that. We got tint on the front. Same thing. So we're still here at the back gate waiting for the sheriffs to come out so we could ask them about these illegally wrapped windows that have tint. Let's see what this guy's about right here.
Enforcement of the new code out here on these vehicles?
Yeah, of course not. Yeah. Wow. I guess we're not going to get answers tonight, brother.
Where'd you go? Oh, man, you don't want to talk to us. He's been sitting over in his car for like the last 30 minutes. Now he doesn't want to talk to us.
No, that other guy's still sitting there. That's the guy that was next to him.
Oh, they're coming in the other gate. They don't want to talk to us.
Wow.
Hey, slow down. It's not a speedway. You can drive the speed limit.
You're out of control.
You can drive the speed limit, please.
Is that how you drive when you're off duty too?
Thank you.
This is probably her illegal car out here.
See how fast she was driving down the street? Man.
Wow. You have a gun and a badge, you could do whatever the hell you want, huh?